So this is going to be the first sneak peek at the integration between GreenWizard and ARCOM. We're very excited to show this. I want to start off in the GreenWizard side of the application. We're going to go in here, we're going to create a new project in the system. We're going to set up that project name and some of the basic parameters on the GreenWizard application, and that data is also going to be changed and transferred over into the ARCOM application. So you'll see here we're going to go through that setup stage. And now we're going to go in here and we're going to start putting some material inside of this project. So we're going to go up here to search. We're going to pull up a particular manufacturer. So I'm going to turn off and just search manufacturer supply data. In this example, I'm going to use Zern. So I'm going to drop down, click Zern from the features, do the search capability. It's going to go into our database and pull back that Zern product data that we have it listed. As that begins to show up, I'm looking for a particular product, so I'm going to go here and filter those results down even further. Use the keyword search on a particular product name, apply filter, and we're going to dive in here a little bit deeper, and I'm going to get the exact product match that I'm looking for. So there it is, and I'm going to go and select this product. We're then going to add this material to, we can look over the details, and over on the right hand side of the page, as I go through, see my documents, I can go here to add a project as specified. I'm going to pick the project from the list. I've got this demo for ARCOM project, so I'm going to add that. And now it's going to ask me for basically some additional criteria as the GreenWizard workflow. For this, I'm going to pass through and leave as is. And I'm going to select this particular product in the list now. This is the product in the directory, and you'll see a button, a new button says Add to ARCOM Spec. This is part of that new integration. As I click on that, you're going to see the integration on the back end actually going through, and then we're going to get an additional notification here in this detailed screen that the product is now in ARCOM specification, which is exactly what we want to see. Now, let's change gears and go over to the ARCOM side of the platform. We're going to log into ARCOM 1, which is the new system that this is all running in. So log in with the username and password. And from there, we're going to select that same project that has now been created in GreenWizard is now pushed over into the project list in ARCOM 1, demo for ARCOM. We're going to click that. You're going to see some of the details, the general information. We're going to go through the next step of this workflow, and you'll see a GreenWizard drop-down, which that product now shows up in. So this example, you would have a whole list of materials potentially, but this Zern product is what we're highlighting. I can see the details and look at the Zern listing, all the documents and data points. So we're going to select that as part of this example. We're also going to add in some additional products from Master Spec and from Product Master Spec under different divisions. So new Master Spec products and new Master Spec, a couple of these other ones. We're going to hit select. So that's now showing up in the primary workflow screen. You see that documentation and that information here. And now what's really nice is we can start going through some questions and answers. Zern is a fully integrated product in the ARCOM 1 platform, so we can actually start to customize the specifications or the language based on the integration services and the actual information on the ARCOM 1 platform. So it's going to customize that spec information. So as you're making those decisions, you'll see a little tracker bar, and you'll see that the content being edited here below. Very, very exciting. This is great as in terms of the specifications side of this, that all this information now flows across both platforms, making this a much, much easier decision and a much easier process to go through. So we'll go here, and I want to invite everyone to see more of this information at AIA National, May 13th and 15th.